Anyone can make custom art glass beads. Start by clamping your torch to the work table. Next, dip your steel mandrels into the bead release. With your safety glasses on, turn on the gas and ignite the torch. Wave your glass rod or strip in and out of the flame so it gradually heats. When the end starts glowing orange, then it's okay to leave in the flame. Heat the mandrel in the flame behind the glass. The mandrel needs to be hot for the glass to stick to it. Twist the mandrel in the flame while working the glass onto it. Keep twisting the mandrel to ensure the bead heats evenly. You can use a marvering paddle and other tools to shape the bead. You can add different colors and types of glass to your bead. Just make sure it's the same COE. Remember to keep twisting the mandrel to evenly heat the bead. When you're done working the bead, turn off the flame and place the bead and mandrel into the fiber blanket to cool. To get the bead off, dip it in water, hold the mandrel with vice grips, and twist and pull the bead off the mandrel.